There is not one solution to energy, to
I agree.
power.
Yeah.
It's going to be all hands on deck.
Yep.
It's all technologies in use, right?
Absolutely.
Whether it's storage, whether it's chemical storage, hydrogen or physical storage, or electrical storage, that's going to be helping the bridge, whether it's onshore and offshore wind, solar, geothermal. Now the geothermal is back in the good graces again. There's new projects being developed, and that co-development of geothermal and lithium extraction. There's a lot of interesting things, but it's not going to be one thing. So this ties in somewhat with hydrogen as well. It's not one thing that's going to save us. It's all the solutions. And how do you establish a regime that allows for all these various solutions? It doesn't necessarily favor one over the other, but it may support one more today or one more visibly than the other. And that's necessary. I mean, we certainly aren't going to build any more coal plants in the country, and yet there are opportunities which may have sequestration and other technologies that bring coal back to an equivalent low carbon, zero carbon basis.